speaks the worst English in Nigeria? Hausa.
Which set of Hausa people is she talking about?
Maybe in another world or in another dimension.
Probably.
Hardly be said for the United Nations. Do you hope to be speaking to the General Assembly yourself?
I hope to, yes.
I don't know whether you noticed a remark made by Mr. Nehru the other day that when a neutral country joins a neutral bloc, it ceases to be neutral.
Exactly. I entirely agree with him. I told reporters in Lagos the same thing yesterday evening. They said, well, what about the neutralist group? I said, well, they are committed.
So what kind of neutralism do you envisage? You really think it's going to be possible?
I don't like this idea of neutrality. I don't like the word, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's the wrong word.
How do you hope to maintain your real independence of the political world?
We want to pursue an independent view.
There are many aspects of Nigeria that fill me with pride. Against apartheid, for example, Nigeria was in the forefront. And in the liberation of countries such as Angola, Mozambique, and more recently Liberia and Sierra Leone, Nigeria's influence has been paramount. I recall with pride when the Nigerian delegation persuaded the Casablanca Bloc and the Monrovia Group to set up a continental organization. This was eventually to become the OAU. All this has won us the highest respect around the globe, which makes me proudest of all. But I believe Nigeria has still to realize its full potential. And the key to achieving that is to effectively communicate with each other, the rest of Africa, and indeed the world.
Madam Aminu, we met in London recently.
Yes, we met. I was there during the Nigerian Constitutional Conference.
When your country becomes independent in 2 years' time, will it eventually join in the United States of West Africa?
Of course it will.
And do you envisage also the United States of Central Africa, including the Cameroons and Belgian Congo, let's say?
Well, yes, I should think so, in close association with the United States of West Africa.
In this United States of West Africa, don't you think there might be a certain struggle for leadership between such personalities as Dr. Nkrumah, Dr. Zik, even yourself perhaps?
No, I don't think so. I think, you know, the African leaders would like to give their show, and for that they would not struggle for leadership, I think.
Malam Aminu, where did the idea for a United States of West Africa first come from?
Well, I think it came from people like...
Well, this is not a very serious matter. This is a matter that happens in every country. You get odd controversies taking place here and there. I think